For making green chili pickle, we have taken about 100 grams of green chilies. We have washed them and dried them with towel nicely. We have taken a little bit longer and thick variety of green chilies. You can choose any variety of green chilies you want to make this pickle. So first we need to prepare the green chilies for the pickle. So for preparing the green chilies, we need to take out the top of the green chilies using the knife. Remove the top for all the green chilies. So now we have removed the top part of the green chilies. Now we need to make a slit in all the green chilies using the knife. So you can see that like this, you need to make a slit in all the green chilies. Let me show you one more time. So we have to use the knife and make a slit in the middle of the green chilies. And so don't completely cut the green chili. You need to just make a slit in the middle like this. So we have slit all the green chilies. Now let's prepare the stuffing for green chilies. For preparing the stuffing for green chili pickle, we have taken around 2.5 tablespoons of split mustard or raiki dal. Take salt as per your taste, but always remember that the pickle always requires this more amount of salt than you eat normally. So add this little bit more than you eat normally. We have taken 1 teaspoon of black salt, 2 tablespoons of saunf or fennel seeds, about half teaspoon of asafoetida powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, the juice of 1 to 2 lemons. Now mix all these spices. Mix them nicely. So we have mixed all the spices nicely. Now we need to swirl the spices in the green chilies. So let's start stuffing the green chilies with the spices. You can also use the spoon to stuff it. Let me show you one more time how to stuff the chilies. So you can use the spoon or hand as per your choice. So similarly we have to stuff all the chilies. So we have stuffed all the green chilies with the spices. So let's start making the pickle. So now we need to transfer all these stuffed chilies into the jar. So basically I have taken a big sized jar which is broad enough to prepare the pickle. So you can use similar type of jar, or you can prepare the pickle in the bowl first and then you can transfer it in a airtight glass container. So if any spice mixture is remaining after the stuffing, just put it over all the chilies. So now we need to add the juice. We need to add a good amount of juice. So you can choose to take 1 to 2 lemons as per your choice and as per the juice it contains. So we have put the juice of around 2 lemons into this green chili pickle. Now we need to mix it thoroughly with the spoon so that the lemon juice is nicely coated on all the green chilies. You can also give a stir like this. It is very easy to mix the green chilies and coat them with the lemon like this. So now friends, at this time you can transfer, after preparing the pickle in the big bowl, you can transfer it in the mini glass airtight container. So because this is the airtight container, so we are just covering it. So our pickle is ready. It will give a better taste if you keep it one day in the airtight container, and after that you can start eating this pickle. So this pickle really tastes very delicious. Enjoy it with your family and friends. Just try this recipe once, and if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for many more delicious recipes, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.